We are always looking for the highest quality from an ethical point of view and a sustainable point of view, whether that's in our anything that we buy that has fish, meat. We're always looking for the highest welfare standard to ensure that the quality is the best it can be. Our policy is to buy from British and Irish sources wherever we can, so we're supporting local communities in the UK.
You know, when you look back to when you started, the size of tractors, size of machinery, the amount of cattle that were kept on one farm. Here it was about 25 dairy cows back in that day, but now we're up to 500 beef cattle. I know my great-grandfather just wouldn't be able to believe what's happened in those 4 generations to what it's like now.
We took the decision in 1999 to take this farm organic. We now farm around 1,100 acres fully organically. The purpose of that farm is to produce milk for the ice cream, really. So it's a very sustainable, a closed circuit in the sense that we grow the grass, we grow the wheat and the barley. We buy very little additional feed in for the cows. And obviously the cows are producing cow muck, which we then put back onto the farm. So you end up with a rather nice circle in that way. And it's something that's very valuable to us.
Sustainable sourcing is one of our highest standards. The first thing I look at when sourcing new fish is sustainability, what they're accredited with. What's their quality, what's their BRC standard or certification. All of our wild-caught fish is 100% certified by MSC. This includes pollock, haddock, and salmon. This is a big standard for Appetito and we're proud to support it.